Hi everyone, I am Pallavi and in this video I'll be reviewing as well as talking about the book One Arranged Murder, which is written by Chetan Bhagat. By the name itself, you can guess that this book is a murder mystery. Lately Chetan Bhagat is trying his hands on writing murder mysteries because previous book of his was also a murder mystery. Before starting this video, let me tell you that I have not given any spoilers in this video, so you can watch this video till the very end. What is the plot of this book? So this story is of two friends, Keshav and Saurabh, who work in a cyber security company and they both own a detective agency as well. Lately things are not going that well between them and they are not talking to each other. Few days ago, Saurabh got engaged to a girl called Prerna. He was so obsessed with Prerna and his future in-laws that he forgot Keshav. Saurabh started giving less attention and time to Keshav and his work. Due to this, Keshav once insulted Prerna as a fat girl, and from then onwards, Keshav and Saurabh are not talking to each other. Keshav is a guy who does not believe in true love, but whereas Saurabh is a very decent man and Prerna is his first love of life. Seeing Prerna and Saurabh, no one can tell that their marriage is going to be an arranged marriage. Everyone says that it's going to be love marriage because they are such a lovely couple. They both are committed to each other in this arranged relationship. Prerna loved Saurabh so much that she even kept a fast on Karwa Chauth day for Saurabh. Though they were not married yet, but just to show her love and affection towards Saurabh, she kept a fast for him. Saurabh visits the house of Prerna secretly on the night of Karwa Chauth so that she can break her fast seeing the moon as well as Saurabh. But when Saurabh arrived on the terrace as planned by them, he could not find Prerna. Prerna was missing, and when he searched for her, he found a crowd near her house, so he went down. Saurabh gets to know that Prerna has fallen down from the terrace. Later, police comes to investigate whether Prerna has fallen down accidentally or she has committed a suicide or was it a planned murder. Seeing all this, sad Saurabh calls out Keshav at Prerna's house and then they both help police for investigating the case. There are a lot of characters in this story. Prerna had a joint family. Her parents Neelam and Ramesh, her auntie Bindu, her uncle Aditya, her little brother, her grandmother Maji, who is called as Maji. They have a maid called Gopika. Prerna had a business partner Namrata and they had started a business startup and it was doing quite well. Since the book has a lot of characters, I think it's difficult to remember them, but as you go through the story, you will definitely remember who is who. In this murder mystery, all characters I mentioned earlier are the suspects and the story revolves around who the murderer is. What I did not like about this book. The first point that I did not like is body shaming. Chetan Bhagat has called Prerna as well as Saurabh in the entire story as a fat, obese and fatso and what not. In this book, Chetan Bhagat says that obese girls are not a sign of beauty. Like when you have to define a beautiful girl, it means the girl should be in shape or she should be well maintained. I did not like this point. Actually, the whole way through book, you will get to listen these comments like a fatso and all and all. Though he has not objectified women in this story like his other books, but body shaming is not expected at all. Second thing that I did not like about this book is that Chetan Bhagat could not show his writing skills in giving or describing the reactions of Saurabh and his family or Prerna's families at the death of Prerna. Third thing that I did not like about this book is Chetan Bhagat always has to show his love for Bollywood in all his books, like different characters from different Bollywood movies. I don't understand his Bollywood connection. I think we should teach Chetan Bhagat what true love is. Like for him, love is just love making and nothing else. And he always describes those things in his books. Actually, I think he's writing books since so many years. He should have found out the better way to express love other than lovemaking and all other stuff. What I liked from this book. The story is quite intriguing for readers. I think the suspense level that Chetan Bhagat has maintained in this book is quite good. I did not expected this from Chetan Bhagat. I think we should really appreciate Chetan Bhagat for improving his level of working. Second thing that I liked about this book is that since Saurabh, the character in this book, was a foodie, like every scene is expressed from the point of view of food. Like food is everywhere. In each page you will counter some part of food being explained, like Indian food or maybe Chinese food, like that. I like this way of author correlating serious or not so serious scene with food. Would I recommend you all to read this book? So if you are a beginner level reader and if you haven't read any murder mystery, then I'll definitely suggest you to read this book. But if you have read other murder mysteries, then you should skip this book, I think. Star ratings for this book, I will give 4 stars out of 5 stars to this murder mystery. What lesson did I learn from this book? The most important lesson that I learned from this book is being envious or jealous about something is not good at all, not for ourselves too and not for our family too. Comparing our life to someone else's life will only give us pain. So we should better not compare ourselves to others, but we should compare ourselves with the past ourselves. So this was today's review of the book One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat. Hope you liked today's video. If you liked this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed this channel until now, then definitely subscribe. It always means a lot. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any book recommendations or you want to listen any book reviews from me, then definitely comment them in the comment section. I'll make a review of that book.